How long you let coil cleaner dwell on air conditioning coils directly determines how effectively it dissolves grime and restores airflow. For foam coil cleaners, follow the product label, but aim for a dwell time of 10 to 15 minutes as a reliable rule of thumb, because that allows surfactants to penetrate accumulated grease and biological growth without prolonged chemical exposure to metal. Before application, remove loose debris with a soft brush or compressed air on a low setting to prevent pushing dirt deeper into the fins. Apply the cleaner evenly from the coil face, so the foam expands through the fin pack rather than concentrating in one area. Work in small sections when coils are very dirty. If the system is heavily soiled, consider a two-step approach using a mild alkaline pre-wash to cut heavy oil, followed by an acidic rinse to remove mineral scale, ensuring compatibility with coil metals. Always run water rinses with low pressure sprayed at a shallow angle to avoid bending fins while flushing loosened material into the drain pan or outside. Use a timer on your phone to ensure accurate dwell time, and always recheck the label for temperature limits and safety instructions to avoid corrosion or warranty issues. Common mistakes include leaving cleaner on too long, which can etch or corrode aluminum and copper, so remove the product within the recommended window and neutralize if the label calls for it. Another frequent issue is using high-pressure water that deforms fins and reduces heat transfer, so use a garden hose at low pressure or a foaming cleaner designed to be rinseless when specified. A third problem is cleaning without turning off power and protecting electrical components. Always shut down breakers or power switches and cover controls and motors with plastic bags during cleaning. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project planning guides that relate directly to proper coil maintenance and system cleaning. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, experiences, and vendor recommendations to help everyone find work and make informed choices.